Okay, guys, polynomials. Let's try this again. Take two. You know, I was looking at the definition for polynomial, and the definition that they give for polynomials is a sum of monomials. Okay, so we need to talk about what monomials are. Mono meaning one, right? Let's see if this, there it is. Okay, mono means one or one term. Okay, now a sum of monomials, if I start looking up here, I've got a monomial there, right? That's one term. And then I've got this thing here. Man, that's a weird looking term. I'm going to have to deal with that, but it is just a term because it's separated by pluses and minuses. And then I've got this one back here. That's a monomial as well. Okay, but it asks us to write this in standard form. Now, standard form is when we write the monomials of a polynomial, each term of a polynomial, in its degrees decreasing. So I'm going to have to explain to you what a degree is. A degree is the sum of the exponents of the variables in the term. So if I looked at this first term, can you tell me what the degree of that term is, Donald? 2. Because the exponent of z is 2. Okay? So we need to simplify the terms in this polynomial and then write it in standard form. So let's see if I can do that. So you need to watch me here. Let's see what happens. Okay? I'm going to take this first term. What I have to do, I'm going to take this polynomial. The first thing I have to do is I need to distribute this in. I'm using PEMDAS, right? I need to multiply before I can add and subtract stuff. So I'm going to multiply this 4 in, and I'm going to get 2z squared, that didn't change at all, plus 4 times 1 is 4, and then 4 times minus 5z is minus 20z plus 11. Okay, all right, so far so good. Does anyone see what I need to do next? What do I need to do next, Miles? That's right, I need to combine the constants, right? I need to combine any like terms, yes? So I'm going to get 2z squared minus 20z plus 15, okay? Now, I want us to look at these terms. Is there anything left that I can combine, Gordy? No, there's not. Good answer. If you look at this, I have 3 terms, 2z squared minus 20z and plus 15. Now, I want to look at the exponents of the variable, okay? The exponent of this first variable is 2. The exponent, you don't see it right now, but that exponent of the second term is 1. This is called the linear term because the exponent is just 1. Does anybody have an idea what this first one is? Just be a guess. What this first term would be called? The middle one was called linear. What do you think the first term might be called? What do you think? Alexander?
4z squared.
Okay, no, I don't know if you guys know this. This is called the quadratic. Any time a term's degree is to the second power, it's called a quadratic. This one's to the first power, it's called the linear term. And then this last one doesn't have a variable. It's called a constant. Okay? All right. But I want you to look at the powers of the exponent. It goes 2, 1, and this is really z to the 0. Because what does z to the 0 equal, Arjun? No, it doesn't equal 0. What's it equal, David? It equals 1, right? And 15 times 1 is just 15. Okay? So that's the same thing anyway. So do you see how the exponents decrease as we move from left to right? That's what we want it to do to have it in standard form. Okay? The exponents need to decrease from left to write it in standard form. And that's pretty much it, guys, for this one. We had to multiply and combine like terms and then arrange them so that the exponents decrease from left to right. Okay? All right, good job, guys. I'll see you at the first example.